Hello and welcome back to our new video. In this video I'll show you how to sign up into Uber Eats. For that, just open your app and you can sign it through your mobile phone, and you can also choose your Apple account, Google and email. And if you enter your phone number, they will send you 4-digit code on your SMS like this. Just paste it over there, and from that you can give them your personal information. And if you don't want any if you don't want long procedure, just go and tap on your continue with Google and select your Google account. Now they will ask you to give access about your name, profile picture and email address. Then tap on continue button. Now you'll have to enter your email address, and now you'll have to enter your phone number, name and your surname. And after that you will need to and now they will send you, and after that they will send you one OTP code on your email or your phone SMS, and you'll have to create a password to secure your account. Then you'll have to select a payment method, credit or debit card, and add your delivery address, and that is how you can sign up into your Uber Eats. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.